If you want to work at home and make some extra income, there are many ways to do this. You don't need any special skills to start making money. In this video, I am going to show you 10 ways to make money on Fiverr. Watch this video and find a great way for you. 1. Market research. Before you create your gig, it's important to do some market research. This will help you determine if there's a demand for what you want to sell, and also give you an idea of what you need to do to stand out from the competition. To get started, search for similar gigs on Fiverr and take note of what they're offering, their prices, and their reviews. You can also check out sites like Quora and Reddit to see if people are talking about your niche. 2. Graphics design. If you have any graphic design skills, you can start making money on Fiverr pretty easily. Just create a gig offering your services, set your price, and start taking orders. You can even offer add-ons like a rush delivery or multiple revisions for an extra fee. And if you build up a good reputation, you can start charging even more for your services. 3. Web development. 1. If you have any coding skills, you can offer your services as a web developer on Fiverr. You can create simple websites or more complex ones, depending on your skills and what the buyer is willing to pay. 2. You can also offer your services as a web designer. This involves creating the overall look and feel of a website, as well as designing individual pages. 3. Another way to make money on Fiverr is by offering your services as an SEO consultant. You can help buyers improve their websites' ranking in search engines, which will, in turn, lead to more traffic and sales. 4. You can also offer social media marketing services on Fiverr. 4. Writing and translation. One of the great things about Fiverr is that there are so many services you can offer. If you're a wordsmith, you can offer your services as a copywriter, editor, or proofreader. You can also offer transcription services. If you're bilingual, you can offer translation services between English and your native language. If you're not a writer, don't worry, you can still offer translation by taking videos in English and then translating them into your native language. You could even record audio with an app like Audacity or QuickTime and then have it translated for those who don't speak English. What else? There's voiceover acting, video editing and subtitling, drawing cartoons and caricatures, and doing hand lettering, just to name a few. All in all, this gig has more than 100 different services available. 5. Audio production. 1. Do you have a great voice? You can make money by recording audio for people who need it. This could be for a podcast, an audiobook, or even just someone who wants to improve their speaking skills. 2. Find out what kind of audio files people are looking for and make a gig offering your services. 3. Advertise your gig anywhere you can think of: social media, forums, your website, and start taking orders. 4. Once you get some good reviews, you'll be able to start charging more for your services. 5. If you want to take your audio production skills to the next level, consider investing in some quality equipment. 6. Music promotion. 1. Sell your music as a digital download on Fiverr. 2. Create a gig offering custom-made songs or jingles. 3. Offer your services as a mixing and mastering engineer. 4. Create and sell beats or instrumentals. 5. Write and sell lyrics or vocal hooks. 6. Offer your services as a session musician. 7. Provide professional photography services for other Fiverr users. 7. Voice-over talent. You can make money on Fiverr by selling your voice-over talent. All you need is a good quality microphone and a quiet place to record. You can create videos, commercials, or even. The sky is the limit when it comes to what you can sell. 8. Online education, MOOCs, courses, etc. Online education is a great way to make money on Fiverr. You can create and sell courses, teach classes, or even create and sell ebooks. The sky is the limit when it comes to making money with online education. If you know any subject matter, there are opportunities for you to take advantage of. Even if you don't have a lot of time to commit, 1 hour per week teaching online could pay off. Look at what MOOCs, massive open online courses, like Coursera offer for instructors who want to reach out and teach students from all over the world. With this option, you only need about 10 hours per month committed and can charge upwards of $50 an hour depending on how much time you put into creating your course. 9. Skill testing, certification, test preparation. Skill testing is a great way to make money on Fiverr. You can offer your services to test the skills of other users, or even create and sell tests that people can take to certify their skills. You can also offer test preparation services, helping people study for exams like the SAT or GRE. If you have particular expertise, there are many ways to monetize it on Fiverr. For example, if you're skilled at writing copy, copywriting might be an area where you could use your talent. Another option is to provide editing services. Finally, if you're good with numbers or excel at math problem solving, perhaps teaching others how to use Excel in business could be another way to make money on Fiverr. 10. Business Systems Consulting. Business systems consulting is a broad term that covers a variety of services. From improving operational efficiency to developing custom software solutions, business system consultants help companies streamline their operations and improve their bottom line. One way to make money on Fiverr is by offering your business knowledge as an expert consultant for a fee. For example, if you're familiar with the company's industry or skilled in identifying trends and marketing strategies, you could offer those skills as a consultant for an hourly rate or per project fee. Another way to earn money using Fiverr is by outsourcing tasks like data entry or transcription for $5 per task.